Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Nifty and I'm making this video after a very long time uh, for a lot of people to understand as to is the market really crashed, or is the crash going to be like, okay, it's going to deepen in the market, or what exactly is happening. So just to give you some perspective, I have made this Nifty markings over here, Nifty chart markings, and I have marked certain dates over here. So this is somewhere in the mid of the March 2023, which is more than a year back from now. And then I have made, so what you see over here is this is a bottom which it had formed, and this is another bottom which had formed on the October end 2023. And right now we are on 10th of May as I'm making, so the date today is 10th of May as we are looking now. I have made this upper line and the lower line. Nifty is in this range for 1 year. Okay, so for the people who don't really follow chart patterns, people who actually only follow news and speculative, news flashes and all sorts of political stuff which keeps coming on, WhatsApp groups. This is for them to understand that none of these things, even if there was a war-like situation, none of these has ever impacted Nifty in a way that it has gone out of the range. This is the most important point. You got to look at this upper line which is in green color, this lower line which is in green color, and look at this orange line which is coming over here in the middle. Now if you see this, every time Nifty has gone into a news mode where it has kind of come down, it has still taken support on this orange line. So even if you look at the January news, 25th Jan, it made a bottom on 21,165. Again it made a bottom somewhere in the month of March, 21st March, which was somewhere in the 21,700 range, made another bottom. Same exact bottom was made again in the month of 19th April 24, and now again we are seeing the exact same bottom. So for technical reasons, I can say that the bottom, which is the average bottom that Nifty mostly makes in the last 3 to 4 months, if I say, let's just say from the month of February 2024, that is 2024 bottom has mostly come in the last 5 months in the range of 21,800. This is the Nifty bottom range where it comes mostly, no matter what news comes or what RBI announcement happens or anything that happens. This is where the Nifty comes and stops. The last top which it had formed in the year 2022, this was 18,930, after which it has crossed this bottom and retested the bottom at 18,840. So what we need to understand over here is that from this level of 26 October 2023, Nifty has only gone into a rally mode once. This rally mode ended on 15th of Jan. So if I have to mark this line, I look at this line. So from here, this bottom of 18,850 till here 22,082, this entire range was the rally mode, after which Nifty has only done a sideways kind of a range bound kind of a move. So that is clearly visible, and for people's understanding, I'm just making one more arrow here. I'm talking about this range. This is the sideways move which Nifty has formed. But now as we look at the analysis of Nifty, what does it look like? Okay, so what is the probabilistic scenario? This scenario was also formed earlier. It was in this kind of a sideways move somewhere in the month of April 23 all the way till June. So it was a 2 or 3 month time frame. This is also a 2 or 3 month time frame that I am talking about. So if you look at this entire range, this range has formed from December 2023 to May 2020. This is almost 6,000 6 month kind of a same 2,000 or a 1,000 point range. If I have to look at the range, what exactly is the range? Upper part of the range is 22,600, lower part of the range is 21,300. So it's just in a 900 point range for 6 months. 900 points, 6 months. So range bound is the conclusion. So I'll write over here for people to understand um, that Nifty is in a 900 point range for the past 6 months. So people should not get in a mode where, oh, Nifty is crashing, oh, Nifty is going up, oh, all these things are speculative. Nifty is just in a 900 point range for the past 6 months. This is the ultimate conclusion that I can tell you that is happening now. I'm not going in a predictive mode, nor am I telling that, oh, go ahead and buy, oh, go ahead and buy this dip, oh, go ahead and sell this market. No, this is not what I'm saying. I'm giving my observation and analysis since March 2023, and even before that there was a stop which was formed somewhere over here, uh, that is in the month of November 2022, and before that there was a bottom in June 2022. I've been making and following this exact chart, and in my observation Nifty has not gone either above this line or below this line. So until and unless it goes above this line or goes below this line, I will not say anything. That I will not even conclude that Nifty has crashed or gone into a rally mode. No, Nifty is purely in a range mode since the year 2000 and June 2020. So June 2022 almost till now May, it is like almost 23 months. In a 23-month time range, it has just been in a range, and it has steadily gone up and steadily made a fresh high every time it attempts to make a fresh high. So if I look at this high of January, it was 22,100, then it made a fresh high of 22,550, then made a fresh high of 22,800. So it makes fresh highs every 15 days to a month, and this kind of correction happens. So you're seeing here is just a correction. I would first see that, okay, is 21,640 range being maintained or saved if this correction that we are seeing in the last 1 month or so. I'm looking at this portion, so I will look at that. Okay, is this portion first of all breaking, and is it first of all breaking from here till here and then coming over here? This is the first check that I would want to see if Nifty wants to fall till here. And after that, is it going from here and again going back like it normally does and makes another attempt to go till here, or it is not going here but this arrow is actually coming here? Then I will conclude that, yeah, Nifty has crashed, and I will again see that this 18,840 bottom which was formed, is it falling in that range and coming back over there or no? This is how I would look at Nifty and I would analyze Nifty. There is no other way in which you can understand Nifty and start speculating. Oh, today the index is up. Oh, today this news flow has come. Oh, today this RBI announcement has come. Oh, there is somebody who is saying something on CNBC news channel or Z news channel and saying something. I would say none of these things have got any importance or matter at all for the market. Market only goes in patterns, and chart is the number one thing which gives you the analysis and tells you whether the market is going up or down or what direction it's going. For your information, this is a 2 hourly chart, and 2 hourly chart is what I am following for the past 2 years, and I have not seen anything which is in the news flow that makes me feel that, oh, I should really jump and sell off all my shares, or I should jump and buy everything, and or I should go and sit on cash. None of these things. I'm just following this much, and I'm just following this much for myself and seeing as to whether it is in the range or out of the range. Only when it goes out of the range will my alarm bell ring. So right now also, if you ask me that, okay, what is the upper range of the Nifty? Upper range of the Nifty is 22,800. This is what I would look at. That if it is breaking 22,800, then I will say that, oh wow, then it is going to make a fresh all-time high. And if it is going to break below 21,600 and 20 range or 630 range, then I'll say, oh, Nifty is crashing down and it's going to come down and it will come and hit this green line somewhere over. So this is basically my outlook and take on Nifty as to what does it look like. I hope you found this video informative. please hit the like button on my channel Nifty Wala, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And thank you very much for watching this video.